Good morning, my name is Sergey and welcome to my class.
So now let's modify the page background. So you can add a stylish touch to your document by changing the page color and borders. You can also insert a watermark onto the page. So these commands can be found in the page background of the Design tab. The first one is the watermarks. It adds a semi-transparent text such as draft, confidential, or sample behind the content on the page. The second one is the page color, changes the color of the page. And lastly is the page borders, adds or changes the borders around the page. So in this video, we will modify the page backgrounds. So make sure that the document is open. So from the Design tab, click the Watermark button and choose Custom Watermark. Okay, in the Printed Watermark dialog box, click on the Text Watermark option. Type for review in the text box. And then click OK. You will notice that the semi-transparent text for review will be on every page of your document. There you are. Okay, so to remove the watermark, click the watermark button and then choose Remove Watermark. Now change the page color. So click the page color button and then choose your desired color. So make sure to select a color that will complement the videos and images or graphics or the fonts on your document. So page color. There you go. Now add the page border. So click page border and choose from the options under settings and style. So page border. And then settings. Click the box. Then the style. And then click OK. So explore other options in the borders and shading dialog box. You can also change the width your borders. Then save the changes. Control S or file save or click the save in the quick access toolbar. So that's how to modify your page background.
That's all for today. God bless.